Hey guys, I'm assuming this is you right now. All right, so I'm not even sure how I get in here and delete off the Bluetooth. Man, I got too many devices there, but how come I can't add any more? What's going on? Sums it up? Let's show you now. Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris, your Honda guy here at Randy Kill Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. In this video, I'll show you guys how to delete your phone off of Bluetooth on different models. It varies depending on your display unit that you have, okay? Now, I'll have chapters down below, other additional links that are related for other videos in the video description. Check it out. Let's get going. Now, if your vehicle has this 4-inch screen, you're probably in a little panic mode because you're down to settings and you select Bluetooth, and then you're not seeing an option to delete that paired device because you want to go up to 6 devices at a time, right? So what do? Quick and easy. Hit phone, go all the way down to phone setup, select Bluetooth setup, you have connect, disconnect all, delete, pushing the wheel. I have options right here. You can go up to 6 presets. You cannot add another one after 6. Crazy Honda Chris, what do you like to delete? Yes, delete. There we go. This one's going to be a 7-inch touchscreen. So if yours look like this, what do? Select settings, and select Bluetooth. Then find Bluetooth device list, select that. Select the one you want to delete, and then select delete. So, and yes, that quick and easy. Now, what about this 9-inch multicolored touchscreen right here that you see on the newer models? Well, it's going to be easy. You select phone. You have your phone up there. You hit change device. Then you can go to device list. Then you can select it. And then you hit disconnect or delete device. All right, so now we're in a Honda with a 12.3-inch touchscreen. How do you delete a Bluetooth device? Easy. Select phone, go to device list, find the one that you want to delete, select that, and then hit delete device, hit done, bang, quick and easy.